Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make grilled fish in coconut sauce known as Samaki wakupaka in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of fish masala, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1½ lime, and lastly a whole tilapia fish or any other fish that you like. In a medium small bowl, start by adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of fish masala, and a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix everything well. Then squeeze 1½ lime and continue mixing everything well. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Sorry I didn't mention these ingredients, but it's so important to add some oil in the fish so that the fish don't stick on the wires. Once you're done mixing all the spices, apply the spices mixture in the fish. Don't forget any spots. And afterwards, cover your fish with a foil paper and place it in the fridge to marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours. After marination of 1 to 2 hours, you're going to take a tray and place a grilling wire on top. Then spread some oil on top of the wire so that the fish doesn't stick on the wire. Once you're done, you're going to take your fish and place it on the wire. You can grill your fish in the oven or you can use charcoal grill, that's up to you. If you're going to use an oven, you're going to grill the fish at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to make our sauce. Ingredients: you're going to need ginger garlic bell pepper paste, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, some salt to taste, curry powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder ½ teaspoon, 1 lime, 2 medium large tomatoes, 1½ cup of thick coconut milk, and lastly 1 slice of onion. In a medium large pot, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, then add 1 slice of onion and cook the onion till golden brown. Once the onions start turning color, you're going to add ginger garlic and bell pepper pastes and mix everything well. Followed by 2 medium sliced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste and some salt to taste, and mix everything well, then cover to let the tomatoes to cook till soft and juicy. Once the tomatoes are soft, open the lid and give a quick mix to make sure if the tomatoes are completely soft. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of curry powder, ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, and squeeze 1 lime, and mix everything well and let the stew to continue to cook. Let this stew to cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes till the tomatoes start producing some oil. After 2 minutes, you're going to pour 1.5 cup of thick coconut milk. You're going to pour a bit by a bit while mixing till everything is well combined. Afterwards, let the sauce to cook for approximately 5 minutes till well cooked and thick. And after 5 minutes, your coconut sauce is well cooked and thick. Then your coconut sauce is ready and remove it from the fire. Meanwhile, after 40 minutes, our grilled fish is ready and nicely baked, as you can see in the video. Then it's high time to pour the coconut sauce on top of the fish. Then pour the coconut sauce on top of the fish, as you can see in the video. Then we're going to return it in the oven. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, our grilled coconut fish is ready and nicely baked, as you can see in the video. Afterwards, remove the fish from the wire and serve it on a plate. And my grilled coconut fish is ready, as you can see in the video. It's nicely baked and it's so delicious. You can eat along with ugali and any sauce that you like and enjoy your grilled coconut fish. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.